In this video, I will guide you on how to insert and use a micro SD memory card on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. Now, by default, the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G does not have an inbuilt memory card slot. So if I go ahead and just open up the SIM card tray of my Samsung Galaxy A37 5G from over here, you're going to find out that we only have two SIM card slots. So there is the slot for SIM 1 from the top, and then there is the slot for SIM 2, but there is no slot for a micro SD memory card, which is actually ridiculous, because that means that you cannot expand the storage of your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. But that notwithstanding, there is actually a workaround for this, and that is to get a USB-C to a micro SD memory card adapter. So this adapter over here has a USB-C output, and then it also has a micro SD card slot over here. This is a very big one, but you can as well go ahead and get something as tiny as this as well. Just make sure it has a USB-C output which you can connect directly to your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, and then you want to proceed to insert your micro SD memory card over here. So it has to have a micro SD memory card as well. For this video, I'll be using this adapter over here, so I'll just proceed to connect the USB-C part of the adapter to my Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, just like so. And then you want to connect or insert your micro SD memory card now inside of the micro SD card slots over here. So I'll go ahead and insert mine. Now, as soon as you properly insert it, you're going to get a notification on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So if I swipe from the left hand side, you can literally see a USB storage has been added. You can go ahead and open it up directly from here, or just proceed to open up the files application on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. The files application is literally over here. And now if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see the USB storage, which is basically our micro SD memory card. At this point, if you want to transfer, send, or back up some files from your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G into your micro SD memory card, you just have to go over to your internal storage. For this video, I'll go over to the images or pictures section, and then you want to long press to select on the photos, videos, or files which you want to send or transfer into your micro SD memory card. Once you select them, you want to tap on the move option at the bottom over here, and then you are going to see your micro SD memory card, which is our USB storage one. Go ahead and select that, and then also select where you want to put those files on your micro SD memory card. In my case, I'll go ahead and put them under the pictures section. Tap on that and then tap on move here, and automatically, if you go back to your main files section, you're going to be able to find your micro SD memory card, and then over to pictures, you should now be able to see all of the photos, movies, or files which you have sent into your micro SD memory card. And I hope this was helpful, guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.